Hello again, Mr. Soldiers class. We're going to do Wednesday's social studies with our week 21 Money in Your Pocket Studies Weekly. So go ahead and get yours out and ready. What we're going to do is you're going to open it up, and it's going to be the big article across the top, and it says spending, borrowing, and saving. Okay? All right. So you probably already know how to spend money. People spend money on different things from food and cars to haircuts and satellite TV. How do you spend your money? Some people spend every cent they have and then borrow more money to buy more stuff. The more you borrow, the more trouble you can get yourself into. Suppose you get $5 each week from your parents, but this week you spend it all. So you borrow another dollar and now you owe them $1 from next week's allowance. That means next week you only get $4. If you keep that up, you'll always be in debt. Debt is the money you owe. Do you want anything that costs more than your allowance? How will you get enough money? You could try to earn some extra money, but you will probably have to save some money too. There's no way around it. You have to put some of your money aside in a safe place or in a place where you can make more money for you. If you do that, one day you'll have enough to buy what you want. But you won't always have your parents to give you an allowance. So, what do you do then? When you are old enough, you will need to get a job. No matter what job you have or how much money you make, you will need to save some of it to get big things you really want. When you do save your money, where do you put it? You could hide it under your bed, but that isn't really the best choice. Putting it in the bank is better idea. When you take it out later, you will have a little more than you put in. That's because banks give you interest. Interest is money that banks pay you for letting them use your money for a while. The bank is a safe place to put your money. Investing. Would you like to have the total amount you would have if you got 1 penny the first day, 2 pennies, 2 the second day, 4 the third day, 8 the fourth day, and so on for 30 days? Or would you rather have $100? You'd probably take the $100, right? If you took a penny that doubled every day by the end of 30 days, you would have $536,870.91. Don't believe it? Try it on a calculator. 1 times 2 times 2 times 2, and so on. Multiply 2 by 29 times. That's amazing, but true. Unfortunately, there is no place to put your money where it will double every day, but there are ways you can make your money grow faster than you might think. Investing means putting your money in a place where it will make more money for you. One place you can invest is the stock market. The stock market is a group of companies that will sell you a little piece of their business. When the business makes money, you make money too. If the business loses money, you lose money too. If you put your money in the stock market, There may be times when you lose some money, but on the whole, people who invest in the stock market usually make money if they keep it in there for years. Donating. When you give money to people to help someone, when you give money to help someone else, it's called donating money to charity. A charity is an organization that collects money to help people. Giving away some of your money will not only helps others, but it also makes you feel good. It doesn't matter whether you give a dime to your church or synagogue or $10 to help homeless pets. You don't have to be rich to share your money. What if you don't have any money to give? Look for a project where you can donate time and energy instead. What are some other things that people can donate sometimes? They can sometimes donate money or they can donate time. What are some other things that could be donated if you felt like donating? Let me know. Drop me a line. Okay? And then also answer the questions on your studies weekly. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Send me a dojo text message or an email. Talk to you guys later.